I'm using this White Eagle medicine wheel deck. And this is going to be the theme of this episode. Okay, I do 13 shuffles, so I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Boom.
Wow.
It says provider. It says, the teaching I have for you is to have gratitude and respect for all life and all that you are given. So I just have to say that I feel grateful that I have been given the opportunity to be the usher of the new age of mixed martial arts safety and what I believe to be a fantastic brand for health of children and families. But sushi, the word sushi. The word sushi means rice. And it's a pickled rice, meaning it has vinegar and salt in it. I don't use rice. I use the word sushi because people recognize it, but I actually use a mixture of quinoa, chia, and millet. And that recipe is in my recipe book, which is free on MASTERLUKEY.com. MASTERLUKEY menu. If you have any questions about Life Food Certified ingredients, preparation, mixed martial arts technique, or strategy, relationship issues, if it helps you to know, I would like to tell you that I'm here for you. I'm going to do whatever I can in my power to make sure that you're healthy and happy. Because I care a lot about you. You're like my child. And you're watching, I also think of you as my child. And MASTERLUKEY brand, I invite you to come back and watch and participate in any way that you can. Like, comment, subscribe, connect with me on my social media, and even my personal information as far as my cell phone and email and all that is on my website, MASTERLUKEY.com. And I will be back tomorrow with another vlog leading up to the Long Island Championship coming up. I'm very excited about it, and I hope that you're having the greatest day of all time.
Okay, let's cuddle.